I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Hey, peace, family. What's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broken. Let's get into it. It's my birthday, baby. You know what I'm saying? Y'all throw some celebrations out, man. Hey, throw some confetti up for me, baby. You know what I'm saying? Nah, man. Hey, it's been it's been a beautiful experience, man. Jumping out on this platform, jumping out in the world, and being an entrepreneur and stuff like that. Some people may look at you as crazy, man. And how I did it too. I ain't got no kids, no wife, man, and I was able to jump out here and take some risk. And let me tell you, family, it's challenging. I spent thousands of dollars, from marketing, thousands of dollars, trying to figure out, from courses and getting information. I just spent money on the different opportunities, and let me tell you, man, it's challenging, man. I didn't have like 3 or 4 cars and sold my cars. I pretty much drive a little bucket around, just from making plays, trying to keep things in order. So I'm gonna tell you, when I'm talking from this, I'm telling you stuff from the heart, baby. I didn't been out here, I still go through my challenges and trying to figure things out. But if I'm able to help somebody in the process, that's all I'm here for. So I really appreciate y'all for rocking with me, subscribing, liking, and even sharing information with me, because I'm a student, baby. I'm a student. I'm not no guru. You know what I'm saying? I'm just simply sharing my experiences with you. And if that helps you and that resonates with you, then cool. You know what I'm saying? Because I done some things. I done went out and got funding. I done went out and fixed my credit. I done flip some houses. I done wholesale some houses. I'm making a little bit of money online. That's really why I started doing this stuff, because I wanted to travel. I want to make money online, and I want to be able to do that so I can have experiences. I don't want to be put in no box. I want to live my life. We here in this existence is bigger than just wherever you at, your state, your city, your county. It's way bigger than that. You got people that know multiple languages. You know what I'm saying? You got people in different cultures, all different type of different experiences you can have out here. And that's, I want to be able to do that freely, and so I took the route of, starting a business and jumping out here and jumping out on this platform, not really knowing where it was going to go. So thank you. Thank you for that. So thank you for who've been rocking with me. And this is what I'm going to do for my 30th. You know what I mean? I ain't never did nothing like this. I think everything I'm doing is fairly new, man. I moved around a lot. I moved around a lot as a child. I was a military child, a military brat, so they call it. And I want to say I've never been shy, but I'll be reserved. I'm an outgoing person. I can talk to people, but I like my space, kind of like an introvert. But I can pop out my shell real quick, no problem. But a lot of times I like to kind of be reserved. So I'm gonna flip a lot of that stuff upside down, and so this is what I'm gonna do. Anyway, I'm not gonna ask for no money out your pocket, but this is what I'm gonna share an opportunity with you to. You can make money with this, as well as you're actually giving me a donation so I can keep building and growing my platform and this channel. And if you're not interested in that, peace, family, love, appreciate you for staying this far. But for the people that do rock with me, let me just jump in here and do this, because I've shared this app with you before, but I know a lot of y'all balling and don't really matter. So I'm asking y'all to check this out, right? So we're going to jump into Dodge. So boom, we're looking at it right here. We got let me see some places I know. Okay, Darden Restaurant. Matter of fact, let's look at this together. You get 10% cash back. And while it's pulling up, I'm gonna tell you how this app works. When you link your debit or credit card, this is on the App Store. It's legit. Go look at the reviews. Go look at it on Google. Go look at it on YouTube. All right. You ain't got to click my link. Go to the App Store and look at it. It's there. All right. Whenever you have a card, say you can use like a little prepaid card, probably, and link it. You know what I'm saying? I think so, like Chime or something. But what happens is when you spend the money on that card at any one of these places that you would spend money at anyway, you get some cashback rewards. So right here it says you get 10% cash back. Olive Garden, Longhorn Steakhouse, Bahama Breeze, Yard House. Let's see. Cashback will be deposited in your Dodge wallet within 30 days. Darden Restaurants online offer restrictions. $20 maximum cash back per day. So always read the guidelines, because each place is different. So pretty much it's saying that you Like if the maximum you can get is $20 a bag a day. So if you go in there getting you get a $200 gift card will max out the money that you would get back since it's at 10% today. All right. So that's that one. But we got JCPenney, Sephora. Matter of fact, let me show you what I did because I think they got Wendy's and all type of other stuff. I linked my card. I got $1 just for linking my card. I went to Dunkin' Donuts. I got the little Beyond Meat sausages because they were new. I hadn't had them before. And I spent $2 some change. I made 10 cents back. And then I posted a video about Dosh. And then, boom, I got $5 out of nowhere. Then I chilled on it. Then my referral, they normally $5, but they go up sometimes, especially around the holidays, 5, 10, 12, 15. Boom, it hit me with the 15. I said, ooh, let me start promoting again. So 15, 30. So I made $36.10, and I spent $2. Then I made 15, 30, 45, 60. I made another $60, $96.10. I only spent $2 on this with this, and then now I'm over $96, and I got another $30. I made over $100 with this app, and all I did was really refer people by making videos just like this one. So just to keep this short, they got other places. They got hotels. You get cash back. Miami, all this other stuff. They got places that you're familiar with like Target, Macy's, JCPenney, Nike, Vivid Seats, SeatGeek, Fandango. They have all this stuff. So let me click off of here. You need $25 minimum to cash out to your PayPal or your Venmo. You know what I'm saying? And or your bank account, whichever one you prefer. So that's all I ask, Shannon. If you got you interested in the app, you're interested in supporting your boy, you ain't got to come out to your pocket. You know what I'm saying? You can grab the debit card that you ain't got to have no money in there. You can be the account that you don't ever use. You know what I mean? Boom, link it. Now you bless your boy with a $15 donation. And I'm able to keep on producing this content and actually focus, because if it ain't making money at this point in time, then it's really challenging for me to actually focus my time on it. So I want to say thank you once again, and I appreciate y'all so much. I do have some content coming for you, and for my people who we were at that last video I made about becoming a business credit vendor or to reporting the accounts to businesses. We gonna dig deep into that, man, because I got a plan and a vision that I want to do in regards to that I believe that we could all win on if we came together. But that's gonna be the key to have a plan, provide a product or a service, a good plan. Because I think the main objection or the main obstacle that everybody was talking about is like, in order to become a business that can report other businesses, you have to in turn have a bunch of customers. Okay, so it's up to us as a business or a business owner to create a platform where we can engage with people to actually provide some type of value, a service to actually get customers, right? So for me, for instance, this is something I'm working on now. Is I have websites for real estate and stuff like that. I don't have any for Too Smart to Be Broke or this platform in essence, because these are the ones I actually have more subscribers here, but I know not everybody watches the content. But essentially, if I could convert my subscribers into actual customers, then that would actually be a way to actually get in the door to actually get a lot of clientele. But in turn, that would mean a lot of you all would probably have to actually be businesses to sign up. But not to give up too much game, because I want to make a whole nother video about it, because I'm just rambling right now or just kind of coming off the top. I want to create a platform where I will provide y'all something for a good value, maybe a course, maybe an ebook, maybe something. And because I was thinking about giving it away for free, but I may give it away for cheap. But the purposes of that will actually be to actually register you as a customer or a client for my business. And that way we can have some type of structure or blueprint to where whenever I figure that system out, that I want to share with y'all, so y'all can actually duplicate the process and do the same thing in your own manner. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, this is business, so we can do business with one another and whatnot. But anyway, that's just a little, and not to get into too many details, but that's just a little thought. And I'm sure some of you creative people that out there that's gripping what I'm saying can actually take that concept and run with it. I think it's powerful. Each one teach one. You know what I'm saying? And okay, I just got to give it to you what's coming. Look, if we are in business with each other as a people, that is powerful. That is powerful. I'm supposed to go to my brother and get my car. I'm supposed to go to my sister and get my daughter's hair done, or get my hair cut, or whatever. I'm supposed to go over and spend my money with my brother or my sister at their restaurant. Okay, I'm supposed to go spend some money with them at their tire shop. I'm supposed to go spend some money with my brother and my sister at the insurance at their insurance company. If we're all in business with one another, then we all show love with one another. We are all eating together, and we're keeping that money circulation within the family. I know it sounds good and it's challenging to do, but this is why we online and we actually out here building with like-minded people. So if we can actually put ourselves in position to actually be service providers, but actually be in business with one another to where we're all benefiting from each other like a community, then that's a major key to us actually succeeding as a collective. But I'm sure y'all are aware of that. But anyway, I just want to share that. And you know what I'm saying? Yeah, because this video is about to be like 11 minutes, 12 minutes. So look, peace, family. I love y'all. I truly appreciate y'all. Yeah, today's my 30th. I got some things to do, but I wanted to drop this video real quick and say, boom, I love y'all. And if y'all want to donate me, I just showed you how to do it without spending no money. Peace. I love y'all.